All right, friends, today we're learning about selling in your Instagram or Facebook stories, or even TikTok stories for that matter. A lot of you probably aren't using your stories correctly, and if you were to use them correctly, you could get a lot more out of your lead generation and revenue. So it's really important that you get a piece of paper and a pen and take notes during this YouTube video, because I have seen people charging hundreds of dollars for this information, and I'm providing it to you for free. All I ask is that you like this video, engage with my content, and subscribe so that I can continue to support my family while providing you free education. I'm super excited to teach you how to sell in your Instagram stories today and turn your Instagram stories into profitable stories. We're not just going to be wasting our time posting about our day, okay? We're going to be strategic. I have all kinds of other freebies and resources in the description box below, so you're going to want to check them out after you watch this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's get into a new fun topic, selling on Instagram stories so that we can increase that revenue. Did you know that over 500 million people are watching stories daily? 500 million people. Read that again. Over 500 million people are watching stories daily. That makes stories the most utilized feature consumed on Instagram, so you bet your donkey that you need to be selling in there. In fact, people are actually more likely to follow you if you have a story posted when they stumble upon your page, because it shows that you're active. With that being said, when stories are properly utilized, it's going to be a great way for you to add extra revenue into your business and get the right people circling in your world. So what are we going to put on our stories? A mixture of our personality, daily life, behind the scenes of our business, and sales and testimonies. And we are going to go through so many examples. Your head is going to explode with all this knowledge. So let's dig deeper. What to post on your stories. You want people to see your stories and get the sense that they know you. Think of someone was getting a montage glimpse of your day every day. Even if you're just watching TV, people want to know what you are watching. Post content you would post on Snapchat to your friends or FaceTime your parents about. People buy from people. So when you are building up that feeling of people knowing you, it builds that personal connection. And then you'll want to sprinkle in business with your real life, day-to-day tasks, hobbies, etc. And we're going to go in more details on how we can go about doing this. But before we do, let's talk about some more examples, okay? I kind of break it down into a couple different categories. One of those categories being spontaneous story posts. So this could be when you're at the coffee shop and you post a picture of your coffee order, what you're watching on TV, like this guy over here, you know, this is like what I like to post, me just chillaxing, showing that I'm watching Gilmore Girls for the 8th time, right? What we ate at the restaurant, us cooking dinner, us on our date night, us walking our dog, playing with our kids, new outfits that we're styling with, doing our cleaning task, our hobbies, posting our favorite makeup, favorite products in general, etc. These are just like, hey, I'm doing my mascara right now, and let me just take a quick little product picture and be like, oh my gosh, guys, this mascara is literally so life-changing with changing the shape of my eyes or something. You've got to try it, right? So just building that relatability and the things that you like and building that connection with your audience. Then I also like to categorize things more on a planned side. So this could be like a book or podcast you're listening to, sharing a daily habit that has led to your results. So you can see these are kind of more intentional stories, things that you kind of have to think about or that you might want to like say in front of your camera. You can sit down and reintroduce yourself. You can celebrate a milestone you've just accomplished, go deeper on a recent post or industry news, time lapse, you working, people love watching that stuff. Express gratitude to your audience. We all love to hear how much we are appreciated, right? Share your values in your business. Share a hot take on a niche trend or an update, or share a tour of your website. And we want to promote our products or affiliate offers every day. And why do we want to promote it every day? Because we want to keep reminding people what we have to offer and keep showing up, because marketing psychology is people take about 7 to 10 times of seeing a product before they want to buy it. So don't feel like you're being annoying, because the right people that want to be in your world are going to keep watching your content, and the people that are annoyed of you posting about your offers or what you have to say don't really belong in your world anyways. Now, with that being said, you don't want to just show up on your stories and constantly sell people, right? You're not jumping on your stories and saying, buy from me. That's not how we're going to do this, right? So here's some examples of how we can put promotion in our stories. So you could share your freebie or lead magnet and remind the people of the free resource. You can ask for feedback about a new offer idea. or do a sneak peek of your offer. So this is just kind of sprinkling in and planting that seed of your offers, right? You can screen record your sales page and share with a call to action. You can share client testimonials, share a before and after transformation of your product, depending on what your product is. Promote a new launch with a countdown sticker, get people all that anticipation and excitement. You can do behind the scenes of your active offers. For example, you can take a picture as you're about to go live within your membership program, right? And post that to your story. You can offer a story-only discount code. This entices people to watch your story when they're like, hey, this discount is only for the people that are watching my story right now. Go enter in Making Money with Mama 10 and go buy yourself and get yourself 10% off my offer, whatever the case may be, right? Now, a great way to go about your stories is to combine the two. So combining like the everyday life with your promotion. So for example, you can be enjoying a date night and taking a picture of you on that date night saying, enjoying a date night to celebrate X goal in my business, or getting my coffee order and then working with a client to get X results. So you are showing something about your daily life, something that's personal about you while still plugging your business or your affiliate offers, if that makes sense. Now, something about stories is we want to increase engagement, because the more people that interact with your story, the more likely they're going to keep seeing your stories, and it's going to push it to the front of their stories to watch if they're interacting with you and you're getting that feedback. And it also is just great to get feedback. So stickers is going to be so important to increase engagement. Adding engagement stickers is a great way to get to know your audience, have them interact with what otherwise could be dull content, find out what questions your audience has. These stickers could be an Ask Me Anything sticker, or what's your favorite TV show sticker. You can make a poll about who's going to win the Super Bowl, or even how much they'd be willing to pay for a new product idea. I actually did that myself when I was trying to launch different products. I said, hey, these are some ideas I have in mind. Which product are you the most interested in? And then I posted another poll that was like, what is the maximum amount of money you'd be willing to pay for this product? And it gave me a lot of good insight on what people want from me and how much people are willing to pay for this information, while still increasing my engagement on my stories. So here's real examples of some of the stories that I've posted doing a variety of the things we just talked about in the presentation. So I posted a screenshot of my profile, and why I did this is because I changed the aesthetic of my profile, and I also put this huge promotional banner on the top of my Instagram profile. So not only am I saying, hey, changing my Instagram aesthetic, do we like it? And I had this interactive sticker for them to swipe it all the way down to say, hey, I love this like pink and purple aesthetic, but I'm also showcasing, hey, I have a huge product here, right? This is an Ask Me Anything sticker with just like B-roll in the background. Ask me what questions you have. What questions do you have about my business? Ask me what questions you have about my personal life, whatever the case may be. Here's me sharing one of my static or carousel posts to my story. You never want to just share your post to your story and just leave it there, right? We do want to share the content that we're posting on our feed to our stories, but have some sort of interaction feature like this. Have you ever felt like a failure on your journey because I was creating a post about stop failing at social media? So then this gives people the opportunity to interact with my post, see that I posted an in-feed content idea, and then they can either go from there, they can click it, and they can interact with my story. So have you ever felt like a failure on your journey? Yes, but I'm not letting it stop me, and nope, success from the start. Some more examples. These are my examples of me really hard selling. So here's a story I did when launching this membership. I posted some very valuable information inside the membership, screenshotted it, covered most of it up, but just enough information where people can be like, oh, wow, that's interesting information provided in that membership. And I wrote sneak peek of day one inside the membership program, spilling all kinds of psychology tips today, and a link to get access, right? Here's another one of me selling this membership. I took an inside screenshot or an inside picture of what the inside of the course or membership looks like. And again, I said a sneak peek inside the membership, get notified when it goes live, join the wait list. And then here's a testimonial shot I got of someone who made their first commission for my Pinterest for Profits program, and they posted their first commission on my Facebook page. So I screenshotted that and said, I will help you get your first of many commissions on Pinterest. Respond Pinterest to get more details on how I help you explode your organic traffic. And I have an automatic DM responder. So when someone DMs me Pinterest, they will get a message response selling my product for me. And so not only am I getting that interaction with my post and I'm getting someone to respond to it and engage with it, but I have automatic systems in place to automatically pitch my product for me. All right, here's more stories using more casual examples. Here's an end clip of me watching the movie Frozen, and I said, fun fact, my high school job was working the movie theaters. Frozen was a hit of the movie theater during that time of my life, so now watching it with my daughter, when the credits roll, I'm immediately back cleaning countless spilled kid popcorn boxes, because it's so true, and I just think that's a fun fact about my life and about my story and where I came from. You know, I went from sweeping theaters. Here's one where I'm integrating business with casual. So it was Valentine's Day. I posted different pictures of what I got my kids and my husband for Valentine's Day, how I was surprising them, and said, I know life isn't about things or gifts, but I am so thankful this side hustle has given me the freedom to splurge and spoil the ones I love every once in a while. So again, casual post with a subtle hint of selling, saying, hey, I accomplished this and I'm able to afford this because of what I can help teach you, right? Here's another one where I'm actually showing the inside of something that I'm doing myself. So this is a Pinterest pin analytics from something that I'm working on myself. And I'm showing the inside scoop of my personal Pinterest page, right? So I said, here's a pin I posted months ago. It's not seasonal. For the first couple months, it barely did anything, and now it's starting to get some traction. There's no doubt in my mind this will be a top performer months from now. Patience is important in the Pinterest game. So basically, practicing what I preach, right, in my stories. And here is a great bonus tip for you. Tag a creator in your stories. When you post relevant content on your story and tag another creator that is relevant to the relevant content, they will most likely repost it to their story as well, bringing awareness to your brand to a whole new audience, right? So this is a story I posted saying, as beloved mentor Maddie Biz says, just because they don't like the content doesn't mean they aren't watching it, consuming it, and saving it. So this is something that she preaches about in her content on her Instagram page, saying, hey, just because people aren't liking your page doesn't mean people aren't watching it, doesn't mean people aren't consuming it. Like, just go look at your saves, and that's how many people are actually consuming your content. So I was going through my analytics and I'm like, she is so right. I am going to post a story about this. I'm going to tag her. And sure enough, she reposted it, bringing my page and awareness to a whole new audience. All right, friends, I really hope you liked this video on selling in your Instagram stories, your TikTok stories, or your Facebook stories. I was full of information and I can't wait to see how you transform your stories into profitable little tidbits of information. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get access to more free social media marketing, Pinterest marketing, and digital marketing strategies and tutorials and all the fun things for free. See you later.